In this video, we're going to look at this reaction between sodium hydroxide and oxalic acid and exploring the 2-to-1 ratio for sodium hydroxide to oxalic acid. The question is this ratio a gram ratio or is this something else? So we're going to take double the grams of one thing, the sodium hydroxide, and see can we create a neutral substance from that. This is our oxalic acid. Oxalic acid, we're going to weigh out 0.23 grams. And now we're going to take double the amount of the sodium hydroxide and see what happens when I try to neutralize this acid with double the amount of sodium hydroxide in grams. So the next step is to take sodium hydroxide and to double that and see the mass. If I take double the mass of 0.46 grams of sodium hydroxide, I'm going to add that to the water now. We'll start with taking some distilled water, putting it into a beaker. And we'll take our oxalic acid right here. Put that in here. Go ahead and give that a stir. Okay, so after we've stirred it, I'm gonna go ahead and take a pH paper and dip it in here and see what our pH is. Okay, and we have a pH of about 2, looks like. So now we're gonna take our sodium hydroxide that we measured out, with double the amount in grams, and we will add it to our oxalic acid. Okay, so now we've got all 4 pellets in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and stir it. And this may take a few minutes, so we'll come back in just a minute. Okay, so it's all dissolved. All my sodium hydroxide is dissolved. The question is, did that neutralize the acid? So remember, I took 0.23 grams of oxalic acid and 0.46 grams of sodium hydroxide, which is double, and that's what the balanced chemical equation says for the numbers. But is the grams, if I double the grams, is that going to make it neutral? So it should be 7 if it is, and let's take a look and see what happens. And whoa, that turned totally blue, which is at a pH of 11. So that is not neutral. And the question is, why is that? Why did that not neutralize it even though it was double the grams?